Hi, Sofia! Okay, Sofia, kailangan lakasan natin yung boses natin para marinig ng mga classmates yung sasabihin Yun lang yung pinakang dapat yung gawin. Lakasan yung boses. Okay? So, ito na. Ito yung mga sasabihin mo. Wow! Thank you, guys! Next. Okay, bye! Next. Oh, Princess, are you alright? What's wrong? And then itatayo mo si Princess. Next. Oh, don't be sad. I'm here. I will help you find Ming Ming. Next. Okay, let's go. Next. Since we already found Ming Ming, I will treat you some snacks. Next. Okay, hanggang doon na lang. So, yun na nga. Lakasan mo lang yung boses mo. Sofia, kaya mo yan, okay?